Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are here to discuss the topic understanding quadrilateral and let us understand more about it. First of all, let us know the meaning of the name. If you can see the name, if the name is understanding quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a shape which is first it is a polygon. So first of all, let us know about the word which I am speaking right now is polygon. Now always remember polygon is a figure which is made up of only line segments. Okay. Or I can speak in another word. It is a simple closed curve which is only made by using line segments. Once again, I will repeat, it is a simple closed curve. For being a polygon, the first concept is that it should be a simple curve. It should be a simple curve. Second thing, it should be a closed curve. Simple, closed. And the third thing is that it should be only made up of line segment. Now you must be thinking what is the meaning of simple here? Simple means which kind of figure? Always remember simple figures are the figures for which the figure which do not cut it itself only. For example, if I make this figure is cutting itself only. ये वाला figure अपने आप को खुद से कट कर दे रहा है. So this is not the simple figure. The figure in such a way that it will not intersect each other. This only. Okay. The figure which do not intersect itself will be called a simple figure. Okay. It will be called a simple figure. Now, what is the meaning of closed figure? Now, because the second word is written here, simple के साथ साथ closed. Now, remember, closed means you must be thinking ऐसा figure जो open नहीं है वो close हो गया. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं. It is that also the definition is there, but remember the main definition will be whenever you start drawing any figure, you start with a point. हमेशा हम जब कोई भी फिगर ड्रॉ करना शुरू करते हैं तो we always start by a point. And remember from the point by which we start drawing, that is called starting point, and the point on which we end is called ending point, okay, or finishing point. So remember, if a figure is starting from here and ends up here only, if you start a figure from here only and then ends up here only, that figure is known as closed figure. Okay. Or suppose if a figure is starting from this point but not ending with this point, that means it is not a closed figure. Okay. So the first thing, the polygon should be simple. I told you simple figure means the figure which will not intersect itself only. Okay. So that is called simple. Closed means the figure should not be open, first thing, and the starting point and the ending point should be same. Okay. The, the point from where you are starting drawing, the same should be ending also. Okay. This point should be starting and this point should be ending also. Okay. So this is closed. Now move on to the next line. The figure should be only made up of line segment. So let us draw some figures to know using line segment in a better way. See this. This is a closed figure. This is simple also. Okay. But if you talk about that it is only made up of line segment, no. This is a line segment. This is a line segment, but this is not a line segment. Okay. Same way, this is a line segment, this is a line segment, this is a line segment, but this is not a line segment. So remember, the figure should be simple, the figure should be closed, and also the figure should be entirely made up of only line segments. That is known as polygon. Now let us have some figures of polygon which are simple, which are closed, and which are only made up of line segment. The first example I will take up is triangle, which we are studying from very junior classes. Then next is quadrilateral, which we are going to study in this chapter. Then another kind of quadrilateral. Then you have pentagon. So these all are simple figure. These all are closed figure. And also these figures are only made up of line segment. So remember, this is the complete definition of polygon. Polygon is a figure which is a simple figure, which is a closed figure, and also it is only made up of line segments. Okay, this is polygon now. Now polygon को बेटा दो कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया गया है, कॉन्वेक्स एंड कॉनकेव. So before I move to convex and concave, let us understand the concept of diagonal first. Because convex and concave के लिए जानना जरूरी है diagonal. Now remember, diagonal is a line segment. Diagonal is a line segment which is joined, or you can call it, which is the line segment which is joining two non-consecutive points. Non-consecutive का मतलब होता है बेटा इसके बाद ये नहीं आना चाहिए, इसके बाद ये हो सकता है, इसके बाद ये हो सकता है. So consecutive नहीं होना चाहिए, मतलब एक के बाद एक vertices नहीं आने चाहिए. So remember, the line segment joining non-consecutive. So this is the diagonal here, and this is also the diagonal here. So this is diagonal. Now see this here. If you make the diagonal in this figure, you will see the portion of diagonal is coming inside only. I am drawing the diagonal of this figure. It is coming only inside. कोई भी portion diagonal का बाहर नहीं है. It is all in interior. Now in this triangle, all the points are consecutive only. ये इसका consecutive है, ये इसका. तो इसमें non consecutive कुछ है ही नहीं. So triangle has no diagonal. It has zero diagonal. Okay. Now let's discuss in this. Again non consecutive. So this is first diagonal. And this is second diagonal. So this is again a line segment which is joining two non-consecutive vertices. So this is also having two diagonals, and you can see here none of the part is of diagonal is coming outside. Each and every portion of diagonal is in interior only. कोई भी पोर्शन बेटा बाहर नहीं है, सारा का सारा पोर्शन डायगोनल का अंदर ही है फिगर पे, ठीक है, इंटीरियर पे. Now let's discuss in this one. नॉन कंसेक्यूटिव मतलब इसके बाद ये वाला ले सकते, इसके बाद ये वाला ले सकते हो. तो दिस इज फर्स्ट, दिस इज सेकंड डायगोनल, दिस इज थर्ड डायगोनल, ठीक है, एंड आल्सो दिस इज द डायगोनल एंड दिस इज द डायगोनल. नाउ यू कैन सी I have drawn so many diagonals in it, but you can see another this time again there is no portion coming outside of this figure. डायगोनल का कोई भी पोर्शन इस फिगर से बाहर नहीं जा रहा है. The whole portion is coming inside only. So remember, this kind of polygons are known as convex. These kind of polygons are known as convex. एक चीज और इसकी definition में आती है बेटा. Always remember the first thing which I told you right now, that diagonal portion, you can call it, the diagonal is not coming in exterior position. All the diagonals will lie in interior only. Okay, the first thing. Second thing is each of interior angle, each of the interior angle will be less than 180. हर एक इंटीरियर एंगल इसका 180 से कम होगा. सी लेस देन 180, 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 this all less than 180. ये सारे के सारे 180 से कम वैल्यू के हैं बेटा, ठीक है. सारे के सारे ऑब्ट्यूज हो सकते हैं, एक्यूट हो सकते हैं, राइट एंगल हो सकते हैं, but it cannot cross 180. Okay, so remember, so this is the definition for convex polygon. Now let us understand what is concave. Actually there are two types of polygon, convex and concave. So one of the thing I have told you that is convex. Now let us know about what is concave. Now remember, जो convex नहीं है वो concave हो गया, ठीक है, जो convex नहीं है वो concave हो गया. For example, see, this is again a polygon. Okay, this is again a polygon. It is simple also, it is closed also, and this is a polygon also. Okay, it is entirely made up of line segment. Now let us understand why it is concave. Now look at here, let us draw the non consecutive. If you are drawing it non consecutive vertices, so ये वाली इसको join नहीं करोगे, ये वाली इसको join नहीं करोगे, but ये वाला इससे join हो सकता है. ठीक है, so if you join, this is the portion coming outside. ये वाला आपके पास आपने ये वाला लिया हुआ है, so इसको आप join करते हो, so this is okay. This portion is coming outside. Another thing is, अगर हम इसको ना भी ड्रॉ करें और हम दूसरा कॉन्सेप्ट देखने की कोशिश करें इस बार, so अगर आप समझने की कोशिश करोगे बेटा, see these are four vertices, 1 2 3 and 4. ठीक है, so एक इसको नाम दो 1, ये हो गया 2, ये हो गया 3 एंड यहाँ पे हो गया 4. so जो अगर आप ज्वाइन करते हो नॉन कंसेक्यूटिव वाले, नॉन कंसेक्यूटिव कंसेक्यूटिव कौन सा जाएगा, देखो 2 के बाद 4 नहीं आया, 2 के बाद 3 है, so that is why we are joining 2 के बाद 4. and look at here, the diagonal is coming entirely outside only, no portion is coming inside, it is coming outside, पूरा का पूरा outside है. so this is the first thing, that it is a concave one. Another one, now look at here the figures angles. now look at here, this one acute, 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 but look at here this one, see this is the angle, not outside, ये अंदर वाला portion angle है बेटा ये, and you only decide which kind of angle it is. It is not acute, it is not obtuse, this is also not straight. If you see it properly, this is reflex angle. look at here, because अगर आप इसको सोचते हो तो this is not the angle बेटा, angle अंदर है, because figure ये है अंदर वाला, figure बाहर वाला portion नहीं है, figure अंदर वाला portion है. so see the angle, this is a reflex angle, and reflex angle means the angle which is more than 180. so this is reflex angle, and remember reflex angle means more than 180. and what was the definition, that in concave polygon at least one angle is more than 180, or you can call it more than 180 means reflex angle. okay, so this is the definition of concave polygon. The first thing, that the portion of diagonal will not lie entirely on interior, it can be in exterior also. so देखो आप exterior का example ये दिया हुआ है. second thing, at least one of its interior angle is more than 180. you can see this, the example over here. okay, so you can take some more examples and you can check it on that whether they are whether they are concave or convex. but remember, in this chapter whatever we are studying, that will be all convex only, not concave. in this chapter which we are studying right now, understanding quadrilateral, in this we will only study about convex polygons. now let us understand more about convex polygon. now convex polygon भी बेटा कई टाइप के होते हैं. ठीक है, convex भी यहाँ पर कई टाइप के होते हैं. एक होता है irregular और एक होता है regular. एक होता है आपके पास irregular और एक होता है आपके पास regular. now let us understand what is difference between irregular and regular. ये आपने junior classes में पढ़ा है. irregular means ऐसा polygon बेटा, you can have any polygon. ठीक है, see ऐसा कोई भी पॉलीगन which is you are knowing आपको कॉन्वेक्स लेना है. ठीक है, सबसे पहली चीज तो आपको कॉन्वेक्स लेना है. now look at here, this is a polygon, you can see here, this is a convex polygon. now irregular कैसे हुआ ये, remember the definition of irregular says that it should be having the all unequal sides. okay, all sides are not equal. हो सकता है 4 इक्वल हो बट 5 भी इक्वल ना हो. ठीक है, now look at here, 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 sides, it means it is a pentagon. but look at here, can you find out that all the sides are equal? no, all are not equal. if you see this one, the below one, it is very small, so this is irregular. another definition, it has all the angles are also not equal. now remember, हो सकता है 4 एंगल इक्वल हो बट 5वां इक्वल नहीं होगा. ठीक है, so remember, irregular के लिए it is not important to have all the parts equal, but for regular you should have all the parts equal, all the angles should also be of same measure, and all the sides should also be of same measure. for example, you have equilateral triangle, You are knowing about equilateral triangle. That equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the sides are equal. ठीक है, all the sides are of equal length. Okay, and also the example is square. Also the example is square. All the sides equal and all the angles are also equal. Each are of 90. Here each are of 60. So remember, regular figures are the figures, or you can call it regular polygons are the polygons in which all the sides are of same measure and also all the angles are also of same measure. ठीक है, सारी sides भी same होती है बेटा and सारे angles भी same measurement के होते हैं. Then an irregular में क्या होता है, all the sides are not of same length and all the angles are not of same length. Now let us know more about the figures in the form of polygon. Now always remember, polygon को बेटा उनकी sides और angle के according categorize किया गया. कैसे categorize किया गया? There are types. Now types means remember, सबसे छोटा polygon जिसको हम बोल सकते हैं जिसकी सबसे कम sides होती है. Now remember, the polygon word has number. Poly मतलब number, gon मतलब sides. It means जितनी ज्यादा sides होती जाती है polygon के नाम बदलते जाते हैं. ठीक है, सबके सब polygon होते हैं. All are polygon, but remember, according to the names, their names are changing. For example, according to the number of sides, their names are changing. Now remember, it is not possible to have only one side, because अगर आपने one side draw की है, so कोई polygon बनेगा ही नहीं. ठीक है, तो एक वन साइड का कोई पॉलीगन नहीं होता. नाउ लेट अस ट्राई फॉर टू साइड्स. नाउ आई एम ड्राइंग टू साइड्स बट द फिगर विल नॉट बी क्लोज्ड. सो दो साइड्स का भी फिगर पॉसिबल नहीं है. पॉलीगन इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर टू साइड्स. नाउ लेट अस ट्राई फॉर थ्री साइड्स. Now if I join three sides together, you will have a polygon that is known as triangle. That is why हम छोटी क्लासेस से ट्राइंगल पढ़ना चालू करते हैं. ठीक है, so remember, triangle is the polygon which has the least sides. सबसे कम साइड वाला polygon होता है, that is the triangle. इसको हम बोलते हैं triangle. ठीक है, triangle के बाद if you have four sides, ठीक है, ऐसा polygon जिसमें थ्री साइड होती है triangle. ऐसा ट्राइंगल ऐसा पॉलीगन जिसमें फोर साइड्स होती हैं will be known as quadrilateral, जो हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, so remember, I am not drawing with the scale, so हो सकता है मेरा फिगर जो है इसमें थोड़ा बहुत इस तरीके का हो. But remember, the figure, or you can call it the polygon which has four sides, will be known as quadrilateral. The name is quad. QUAD, quad. Quad मतलब four. Quadri. Then LATERAL, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means the polygon having four sides. Now remember, it has three vertices, three angles, and three sides. Here you have four sides, four vertices, four angles, and two diagonals. Triangle has no diagonal, and this has two diagonals. Okay. This has two diagonal and four side, four angle and four vertices. Now let us move on to the five side wala figure. Okay. So now remember, five side we called. I'm not drawing the figure. We will study in detail now. Five side, the figure will be known as pentagon. Penta matlab five. So pentagon, gon matlab sides. So penta matlab five, gon matlab sides. So five sides wale figure को कहते हैं pentagon. Okay, pentagon, pentagon we call it. Six sides means hexa. Hexa matlab six. So hexagon matlab six sides. Six sides, six vertices, six angles will be known as hexagon. Then we call heptagon. HEPTAGON. Not septa, it's hepta. Okay, HEPTA, heptagon. Heptagon means you will have seven sides, seven vertices, seven angles. That polygon will be known as heptagon. Now hepta के बाद आता है बेटा octa. Octa मतलब 8. So octagon. Octagon means a polygon which is having 8 sides, 8 vertices, 8 angles, and there will be some diagonals also. I will tell you the formula how to find out the diagonal in it. है ना? Diagonal कैसे निकाला जाता है? So that I will tell you in this video only. So now move on to the next thing. Hepta के बाद octa या octa के बाद आता है बेटा nona. NONAGON. Nonagon. Nonagon means a polygon having 9 vertices, 9 sides and 9 angles will be known as nonagon. ठीक है, नोना के बाद आता है बेटा डेका. डेका मतलब DECAGON, डेकागन. डेकागन मतलब a polygon having 10 sides, 10 angles and 10 vertices will be known as decagon. ओके, और उसके ऊपर बेटा हम जब जाते हैं तो वो सारे पॉलीगन ही होते हैं. हम इतने सारे नाम याद नहीं करते हैं. वी ओनली टिल रिमेंबर द नेम टिल 10. उसके बाद हम सारे के सारे को पॉलीगन बोलते हैं. हालांकि पॉलीगन हम इसको भी बोलते हैं. वी कॉल इट दिस वन आल्सो पॉलीगन, दिस इज आल्सो पॉलीगन ओनली. ये सारे पॉलीगन के ही बच्चे हैं. बट रिमेंबर वी कॉल इट म्यूचुअली, वी कॉल इट जस्ट नेम बाय नेम, बट अल्टीमेटली दे आर पॉलीगन ओनली. ठीक है, सारे के सारे पॉलीगन ही है. Now 10 के ऊपर अगर आपके पास साइड्स होती है, you can call it like polygon of 11 sides, polygon of 12 sides, polygon of 15 sides, polygon of 20 sides. इतने सारे नाम पढ़ना, इतने सारे नाम याद करना डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा ना. So we just learn it like polygon of 20 side, polygon of 21 side, polygon of 30 sides, like this, so on. ठीक है. So now remember, this is all about polygon. Now let us know, ये तो हमने इतना सारा जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ा, that was all related to sides. ठीक है, that is all related to side. Now let us understand about little bit of angles. Now remember, suppose I am just taking a random example of triangle only. ठीक है. Now remember, this is a figure that is polygon, which just now we have studied. Now remember बेटा, ये जो portion होता है अंदर का, that is called interior portion. अंदर का portion, that is interior portion. The portion which is outside, that is called exterior. ये position exterior की है, ये position exterior की है, ये भी exterior की है. Now अगर कोई portion, कोई भी point, कोई भी angle अगर अंदर की तरफ है, so that is interior. और कोई भी portion अगर बाहर की तरफ है, that is exterior. So अगर हम बोले कि interior angle क्या होंगे, so remember this is angle 1, angle number 2, angle number 3. These are all interior angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. These are all interior angles. These are all interior angle. Now what is exterior angle here? For exterior angle, remember always beta, whenever we extend the side, okay, we extend the side in this direction also you can extend it, or also you can extend it in this direction also. ठीक है, आप दोनों ही फॉर्म में किसी भी डायरेक्शन में आप एक्सटेंड कर सकते हो, बट यू शुड बी हैविंग द लाइन स्ट्रेट. ठीक है, टेढ़ा मेढ़ा कैसे भी नहीं बढ़ा देंगे बेटा, स्ट्रेट होना चाहिए. नाउ लुक एट हियर, इसको भी हम बढ़ा के देखते हैं. सी दिस, ये भी आपने बढ़ा दिया आगे, एंड दिस इज आल्सो आई एम इंक्रीजिंग इट, सो दिस इज आल्सो. So remember, now you see the figure. यहाँ पर एक और एंगल बनकर तैयार हो गया, यहाँ पर एक और एंगल बनके तैयार हो गया, और यहाँ पर एक और एंगल बनके तैयार हो गया. सो अगर हम इसको नाम देंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 4, this is 5 and this is 6. 4, 5 and 6. Now remember, you can see angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are in such a way that they are forming in exterior position. ठीक है, so remember, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6, ये सारे कौन से हो जाएंगे बेटा? They will be called now exterior angles, not interior. Exterior, I am writing here EXTERIOR, exterior angles. Now what are exterior angle? Angle number 4, angle number 5, angle number 6. Now you must be knowing कि ट्रायंगल के तीनों एंगल का सम मिला के 180 होता है. ये जो लाइन है वो थोड़ा इनकम्प्लीट लाइन है. क्यों? क्या एक्सटीरियर एंगल का सम भी 180 होता होगा? बिल्कुल नहीं. ठीक है, याद रखिएगा, ट्रायंगल के तीनों इंटीरियर एंगल का सम 180 होता है. इंटीरियर का, एक्सटीरियर का 180 नहीं होता है बेटा, रिमेंबर. ठीक है, ये मत सोचेगा कि इंटीरियर लो एक्सटीरियर लो सबका 180 होता है, बिल्कुल नहीं. केवल इंटीरियर का 180 होता है. इट मींस एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 इज 180. ये आपने 8th में भी पढ़ा है, सॉरी 7th में भी पढ़ा है एंड 6th में भी पढ़ा है. Here you have studied this topic in class 6 and you have also studied in 7th also. ट्रायंगल के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा. ठीक है, so this is all about interior angle. Now let us know about exterior. रिमेंबर बेटा एक्सटीरियर के लिए देयर इज अनदर प्रॉपर्टी, ये आपको बहुत इजी रहेगा याद करने में कि कोई भी पॉलीगन ले लो, 3 साइड का, 4 साइड का, 5 साइड का, 6 साइड का, 12 साइड का, 18 साइड्स का या इवन 20 साइड्स का, सबके एक्सटीरियर एंगल की वैल्यू फिक्स्ड होती है। ठीक है, सबके एक्सटीरियर एंगल की वैल्यू फिक्स होती है, इंटीरियर की चेंज होती रहती है। ठीक है, इंटीरियर की हमेशा चेंज होती है, ट्राइंगल में कुछ और होगा, ठीक है, क्वाड्रिलेटरल में कुछ और होगा, फिर पेंटागन में कुछ और होगा, हेक्सागन में कुछ और होगा, हेप्टा में कुछ और होगा, ऑक्टा में कुछ और होगा, नोना में कुछ और होगा, लेकिन सबके एक्सटीरियर एंगल की वैल्यू सब में सेम होगी। नाउ लेट मी टेल यू होती क्या है। Now I am going to introduce you two formulas which you should be knowing it very properly. Now remember any of the polygon जिसके बारे में भी आप इस एक्सरसाइज में बात करोगे, so we will call it polygon of n sides. n मतलब बेटा अगर उसमें 3 साइड होंगे तो हम n को 3 ले लेंगे, अगर उसमें 4 साइड्स होंगी हम उसको 4 ले लेंगे n को, अगर 5 साइड होंगे तो n बन जाएगा 5। n साइड्स मतलब कितनी साइड उसमें है, नंबर ऑफ साइड्स। ठीक है, सो सपोज इफ यू हैव 2 साइड्स, 2 तो होते ही नहीं, पॉसिबल ही नहीं होता उसका पॉलीगन, 3 साइड्स, सो रिमेंबर वी विल कॉल इट n is equals to 3। ठीक है, if 4 sides n is equals to 4, if 5 sides n is equals to 5। now remember angle sum, एंगल सम का मतलब होता है किसी भी पॉलीगन के इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम। ठीक है, सो वी विल राइट इट डाउन इन द ब्रैकेट इंटीरियर। ठीक है, अभी मैंने बताया इंटीरियर क्या होता है, एक्सटीरियर क्या होता है, तो रिमेंबर किसी भी पॉलीगन के इंटीरियर एंगल निकालने का फॉर्मूला होता है, ट्राइंगल तो आपको याद है कि 180 होता है, क्वाड्रिलेटरल भी पढ़ते पढ़ते याद हो जाएगा, लेकिन अगर आपको उसके अलावा कोई आता है तो आप कैसे निकालेंगे। रिमेंबर द फॉर्मूला इज n minus 2 multiply by 180 degree. This is the formula for finding out angle sum of any polygon. Let's say 7 side, 8 side, 12 side, 30 side, 5 side, whatever it is. Okay, n minus 2 into 180, where n will be the number of side, 2 will be the constant, 180 is the constant here. Okay, now ये तो हो गया angle sum interior का। now what about exterior? now remember angle sum exterior, very easy to know, that is 360 degree, fixed, never it will change. Let you take 5 side, 10 side, 20 side or any number of side, remember this will remain constant, it will keep on changing, ये सब में change होगा but ये change नहीं होगा। ठीक है, एक्सटीरियर एंगल हमेशा उतना ही रहता है बेटा, फिक्स्ड रहता है, फिगर की साइड्स कितनी भी ज्यादा क्यों ना हो जाए बट एक्सटीरियर एंगल उसका हमेशा सेम रहेगा, दैट इज 360 डिग्री। ओके, नाउ लेट अस नो अबाउट द थर्ड फॉर्मूला जो कि हमको इसमें याद रखना है। ये दो फॉर्मूले हमने अभी याद रखे, तीसरा फॉर्मूला होता है डायगोनल फॉर्मूला, डायगोनल निकालने के लिए फॉर्मूला। ठीक है, सो रिमेंबर डायगोनल निकालने के लिए फॉर्मूला आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर अबव ओनली, n into n minus 3 upon 2, and this is the formula for finding number of diagonals. Okay, this is the formula for finding number of diagonals. Again, n means number of sides, so remember n means number of sides, n means number of side, 3 will be constant, 2 will be constant. Now in our next class we will study about these three things, okay, in detail, that how we will apply the formula for these, all the formula which we have learned it right now on the questions, how we will apply in the questions these formulas. Okay, so today हम लोगों ने आज क्या क्या डिस्कस किया बेटा, we have discussed what is polygon, what is polygon, what is a definition of polygon, what is simple, what is closed, what is line segment over here. Then we have also studied concave and convex होते क्या है, इनके बारे में भी पढ़ा हमने। We have also studied diagonal क्या होता है, Then we have studied the types of convex polygons, regular and irregular. इन्हें क्या बोला जाता है? फिर sides के according नाम क्या क्या होते हैं different polygons के, that we have studied. And also we have studied interior angle क्या होता है, exterior angle क्या होता है, and what is the angle sum of interior and exterior, the formula of that we have studied. So I would request you all to please watch this video before you attend the next video. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. Jai Hind, all of you.